I'm going to show you how to add a picture to a layer in the Photoshop app. First we have to open up the app, and here we have a file, a document. Here we have a new layer, and here we just click on File, Open. Then we select the image that we want to add. Let's say it's this one. It's going to open it up in the Camera Raw editing place. Then we can just click on Open Object. After it loads, it's going to open up here in the right side as a new image. From here we just click the layer, drag it to the other place, and drop it. And we click on yes, and here we will find the image after the app has loaded. As you can see, now we can transform this into, oh yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.